In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from a PDF in ChatGPT. If you've got a PDF you want to turn into plain, editable text for notes, quoting, or quick analysis, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. First, go ahead and upload your PDF. In ChatGPT, look for the option to attach a file, usually shown as a paperclip icon or an upload button near the message box. You can also drag and drop the PDF into the chat window if that's supported on your device. Keep in mind that very large files may take a moment to upload, and password-protected PDFs won't open. If your document is particularly sensitive, consider sharing only what you're comfortable with and avoid uploading confidential materials. Giving the file a clear, descriptive name can help when you refer to it in your message. Once the upload is complete, you should see the file listed above the prompt area, confirming it's ready for use. Next, ask ChatGPT to extract the text contained in that PDF. A clear, direct prompt works best. For example, you might say, "Please extract all the text from the uploaded PDF and return it as plain text." If you want the output organized, you can add instructions like preserve the reading order and include page breaks, or skip headers, footers, and page numbers. If your PDF is long, you can ask ChatGPT to process it in sections by page range, such as extract the text from pages 1 through 10, and then continue with the next set. If you're aiming for a more readable result, you can request formatting cues, like marking headings clearly or separating paragraphs. That's it. ChatGPT will read the file you uploaded and return the extracted text. Take a moment to scan the results. Complex layouts, tables, or columns may not translate perfectly, so if something looks out of order, just follow up with a refinement request such as reformat the output to follow a single column reading order, or group the text by sections if possible. If the PDF is a scanned image without selectable text, extraction may be incomplete since images require optical character recognition. In that case, it helps to use a version of the document that contains real, selectable text. When you're satisfied with the result, you can continue asking for quick cleanups, summaries, or specific sections, all within the same conversation. And that's the whole process. Upload your PDF, ask ChatGPT to extract the text, and you're done. Simple, fast, and effective.